How to change language on Walmart app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change your language on Walmart app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So if you want to change the language on your Walmart app, you can simply go through the app, but you won't find any language options there. So what you'll have to do is you'll have to change the language on your settings. So for that, head over to your settings app. My bad. After you're on your settings, you'll need to search for general. Tap on general. Let me go back there. And after you're on your general, scroll down until you find language and region. Tap on that, and now you'll see your languages there. All you have to do is add a language, choose the language that you want to add, and after it's on this preferred language section, you'll just have to, put it on the priority list on the top. After doing that, your phone will restart. So restart your device and then your language on your Walmart app will get changed. And it's basically that simple, guys. And that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye. Take care.